TVFCU. Appreciate the hookup. Wow. This ain't it. A little better than the last truck I looked at. Why is this freezing? A little better than the truck we looked at last time. Start her up. Oh, dude, this is Louie. Come on now. Nice little deal there. Back looks nice. .7.
That's how big my dad's are, and his is a 1-ton. Congratulations on your purchase.
Appreciate it.
It's a really beautiful truck out there.
Yes.
We haven't had it for very long, so you get to be the...
Our first truck, so.
Oh, really? Awesome.
Yep. And I'm not even driving it. It's going to my guy.
Well, make sure they take good care of it.
Oh, he will.
All right, just confirm the spelling of your company name and address here for me.
Yep.
All right, perfect. This is the vehicle you're purchasing. Then in the current mileage, Tennessee Valley Credit Union is going to be the lien holder on it. Selling price of the vehicle and all fees, including tax, tag, and title. Giving your grand total down here, all right?
All right.
As everything looks good, you'll sign each one of those buyer's lines and then initial at the bottom there, okay?
All right.
And then signature up here. No. Yeah, you don't have to sign that.
Yeah, when you said first buyer lines,
Yeah,
that's where I messed that
yeah,
up.
yeah, that's just a co-signer. Signature. And then these will be your copies.
Okay.
For you. This is your title application. Same information up top, so no need to double check unless you feel the need to.
All
Our
right.
girls upstairs will handle all the title work for you. It's usually about 7 to 10 business days. We'll mail everything to your bank, and then they'll obviously have the title.
Got it.
And then you just got to go to your local once they give you a call and let you know, you just go to your local county and tag office and pick up your plates there.
Okay.
Yeah, we don't mail them out or anything like that. The only reason being just because if you want to get a fancy plate, you know, the
Got
UK
it.
logo or whatever on it.
Can you mail them out if we don't want that?
No, we have to have a special
All right, for sure.
partnership with
That's
every
fine. That's
DMV,
fine.
So, this is the reassignment. This is just us, JW Truck Sales, relinquishing our rights to the title to issue at 9 a.m. p.m. So you'll sign on that line right there. And that's the only fee we do not collect is the actual plate fee itself, which is like, it's like 15, 18 bucks, something like that. So you'll just pay that when you go to local DMV. This is the Uncle Sam form. It shows you how taxes are calculated. 6.6% ad valorem on all motorized vehicles in the state. Till the end of this amount here, that is part of your finance portion that we are collecting on your behalf. So you'll sign on that top box right there.
Top.
And the odometer disclosure, just verifying the odometer reading.
Yep.
Probably got a little bit more on it now, but no big deal. And then this is the buyer's guide. These are federal forms that go along with every used vehicle purchased in America, saying the vehicle's as is, as seen, as shown. There's no dealer warranty. Dealer as in JW Truck Sales, you obviously still have factory warranty.
Got it. Yeah. You're the dealer, is what you're saying in that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, we are the selling dealer, not the factory dealer. So,
Oh, we still, yeah. Okay.
You'll sign the back form right there for me. And then this is the WIO here, stating that nothing else was owed or promised on top of purchase. Make sure nobody bribed you today. And this is our internal, just stating the as-is condition. And then I did believe Tom did mention our extended warranty options. So this is just acknowledgement we offer on every vehicle, no matter the make or mileage.
Okay.
Top paragraph's acknowledgement. Second line is decline of purchase. the agreement to provide insurance, which you've already done for us, so thank you for that. We'll sign that Compex. Here's the power of attorney form. This is limited. I got it to go for it. Do you want me to throw anything? Those papers in there for
Sure,
you?
yeah, that'll work.
And they keep them all
You
in
can
one
fit
place.
them.
Yeah.
It's not going to be refolded. Or...
The dreams you have, they're all gone today. If you waste them all away, you end up nothing to see from everybody on the bottom. Till it's too late, you gotta strike the rope. You can't fight the pain, you know. I say you are not alone, even though you're feeling pretty alone. Cause I'm on in my mind wide open. Yeah, I'm on in my mind wide open. Oh, I'm on in my mind wide open. Yeah, I'm on in my mind wide well, don't you get down, no. Cause the dreams you have, they're still alive to show.